Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Coins, your go-to place for all things crypto. Today, we're tackling one of the most exciting questions in the crypto world. How can you turn just $100 into $10,000 with crypto trading in 2024? Sounds crazy, right? But stick around because I'm about to show you some proven strategies that might just blow your mind. Now, before we dive in, quick disclaimer, crypto trading is risky. You could lose your investment, so always trade responsibly and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But for those willing to learn and take calculated risks, the potential rewards are huge. So let's get started. Okay, let's break this down. First things first, why $100? Well, for a lot of beginners, that's a manageable amount to start with. It's not life-changing if you lose it, but it's enough to start building something bigger. And the beauty of crypto? The potential for exponential growth. In traditional investing, turning $100 into $10,000 might take decades. But in crypto, it's happened in months, or even weeks for some people. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not promising you're going to become a millionaire overnight, but with the right strategies, patience, and a little bit of luck, you can definitely grow that $100 into something significant. It all starts with understanding how the market works and making smart, informed decisions. The first step to any successful crypto strategy is research. In fact, the research is like your secret weapon in this game. You can't just throw your $100 into any random coin and hope it 10x's overnight. That's gambling, not investing. So, how do you pick your coins wisely? Start with the top players: Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. These are solid, established cryptocurrencies that have stood the test of time. While they might not be as explosive in gains as smaller altcoins, they offer stability and are a great foundation for your portfolio. But if you're looking to really grow that $100, you're probably eyeing some altcoins, right? Altcoins like Solana, SOL, Avalanche, AVAX, or even Polkadot, DOT, are known for their high volatility, which means they have the potential for massive growth. The key here is to find projects with strong fundamentals. Look for coins with real-world use cases, strong development teams, and an active community. Don't chase hype, chase value. Okay, so you've done your research and picked your coins. What's next? Timing. Timing is crucial in crypto trading. Ever heard the phrase, buy low, sell high? Well, it sounds simple, but the emotional roller coaster of watching crypto prices can make it tough to stick to this. Let's take a quick example. Say you invest your $100 when Bitcoin is at a dip. This could be after a big sell-off or during a bear market. Then when the market rebounds and Bitcoin or your altcoin goes up 30%, 50%, or even 100%, you've just grown your $100 to $200 or $300. This is where tools like dollar cost averaging, DCA, come in handy. DCA is basically investing a fixed amount regularly, say every week or month, regardless of the coin's price. This strategy helps smooth out the ups and downs of the market and keeps you from trying to time it perfectly. Because let's face it, no one can time the market perfectly, not even the pros. Here's where things get serious: diversification. If you're serious about growing that $100, don't put it all in one coin. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Sure, Bitcoin might be the king, but you want to spread your investment across different coins with potential. This way, if one of them skyrockets, you're in for big gains. And if one of them tanks, you've got others to balance it out. Think of diversification like this. Bitcoin and Ethereum are your safe plays, your foundation. Altcoins like Chainlink, Link, Cardano, ADA, or Shiba Inu, SHIB, are your riskier plays, but they have higher upside. You're balancing safety and potential growth. Also, don't forget about stablecoins like USDT, Tether, or USDC. These won't make you rich, but they're a great place to park your gains when the market is too volatile. This way, you lock in your profits without pulling out of the market entirely. All right, now let's talk about the 100x strategy. Yes, 100 times. These are those crazy altcoins that go from being worth pennies to shooting up in value like a rocket. But, and this is a big but, this is where the highest risk comes in. These altcoins are usually new and many of them can flop, so you need to be careful. How do you find these hidden gems? Look for new projects that are still in their early phases but show promise. Keep an eye on their white paper. Yes, reading is involved. Check out their team and see if they're solving a real problem in the crypto space. For example, VeChain, VT, focuses on supply chain logistics, while Fetch.ai, FET, integrates artificial intelligence with blockchain. Now here's where patience comes in. You might need to hold these coins for months, or even years, before they really take off. And when they do, it's game over in the best way possible. Let's not forget one of the most important parts of this whole process: risk management. Crypto is risky, and if you're not careful, that $100 can easily turn into zero. To avoid this, always set stop losses on your trades. This means if the market drops to a certain point, your position will automatically sell, protecting you from further losses. On the flip side, know when to take profits. If your $100 grows into $500, $1,000, or even $10,000, don't get greedy. Take your gains and lock them in. Greed is the enemy in crypto trading, and it's easy to fall into the trap of just one more pump. Remember, no one ever went broke taking profits. So, can you turn $100 into $10,000 with crypto trading? Absolutely. But it takes strategy, patience, and a little bit of luck. Research your coins, time your buys, diversify your portfolio, and always manage your risks. Crypto is a wild ride, but if you play it smart, it can pay off big time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Future Coins, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another crypto tip. Thanks for watching and happy trading.